Saving money is back. In 2026, more people are choosing safety over risky investments. But why is everyone suddenly talking about emergency funds again? And more importantly, do you have one? Hi everyone, welcome to richerguide. If you want practical money advice in simple language, you're in the right place. Let's start building wealth the smart way. In this video, you'll discover 7 powerful reasons why emergency funds are trending again and how you can build your own quickly, even if you're starting from zero. In 2026, economic uncertainty is rising. Jobs are not as secure, and expenses are increasing. People are moving away from risky investments like crypto and volatile stocks. Banks are now offering better returns on savings. An emergency fund protects you from debt and stress. Experts recommend saving 6 to 12 months of expenses. Apps and online banking make saving easier. More people are learning about smart money habits. Now let's talk about how you can build your emergency fund fast. Step 1. Start small. Step 2. Set goal. Emergency fund target equals 6 months expenses. Step 3. Automate. Auto-save monthly. Step 4. Cut expenses. Reduce unnecessary spending. Step 5. Use extra income. Bonus equals savings boost. Step 6. Keep it safe. Safety is greater than returns. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't invest emergency money. Don't spend casually. Always refill fund. Emergency funds are not optional anymore, they are essential. Start today, even small. Subscribe for smart money tips. Visit richerguide.com. Like, share and subscribe. richerguide. Thanks for watching.